Pagsaluhan pasalubong, Chowking Salo-Salo Pansit. Ang masarap na Chowking Pansit, merong merienda size, Salo Large, at Salo Family. Affordable Chowking Pansit. Ang Chowking Pansit merienda size o Salo Large for 2 to 3 o Salo Family na good for 4 to 6. Affordable, masarap pagsaluhan. Chowking Almuchaw. Mas pinasarap. Mas maraming choices. At mas affordable. Ngayong may special garlic rice and egg. Samahan mo na rin ang paborito mong breakfast ulam. Chowking Halo-Halo. May fiesta, petit, at bagong half-dozen delight. 25 pesos lang. Tikman ang 15 sarap. Chowking Halo-Halo.